Now, it's been 16 months in limbo, but finally, the Montego-based Sports Development Limited has got the necessary documents in hand to commence work at the Montego-based Sports Complex. When the Montego-based Sports Development Limited won the bid to redevelop the Montego-based Sports Complex over a year ago, not many thought the process would have taken this long. Even the handing over process on Tuesday was a wait, as that started an hour and a half after the scheduled time. However, with the final signature put on paper, the new caretaker can begin work on the facility as of March 1, 2026. Mayor of Montego Bay, Richard Vernon, describes the partnership as a true initiative.
The lessee here has been very supportive and cooperative, and that is why the council sees this as a true partnership, even though it is a lease agreement. And we have all confidence that they will deliver on the key parts of the agreement, which is of interest to the public.
The lease agreement is signed for 25 years, with the work on the facility to be done in 5 years. The investment is set to cost $700 million.
In these types of scenarios, there is a mixture of debt, a mixture of equity, and a mixture of grant funding. There's a lot of grant funding out there for sporting facilities, which we've already started and engaged conversations. There's development funding that we would look at, and then obviously there's equity capital as well that we are looking for this project to go off.
The reconstruction of the facility will see a number of changes as promised.
We will realize the reconstruction of our track, high priority, the football field, high priority, the swimming pool, Olympic-sized swimming pool, high priority, tennis, build out, high priority, futsal, high priority. Those are the key areas, and they each possess a timeline, much of which will fall within a 2-year span.
However, privatizing the stadium does not mean a lockout of the people in the West.
They will have access. There are systems in place to protect the people and to ensure that they are not disenfranchised, and to ensure that the public asset remains the asset of the people after the 25 years.
I can't price something higher than what somebody is willing or able to pay in order to use it. So you just look at Football Factory and Pickle and Chill in Kingston. They're all full all the time because they price it right into the market where people feel it's a fair value, and it's the same approach for us.
Under the St. James Municipal Corporation, the stadium has never made a profit and was said to be losing $30 million annually.